Hello, everyone. It's time to nurture our environment and feed the birds. Feeding birds is not only a wonderful way to add life and color to our backyard, but also makes their life easier, especially during the summer under the burning sun. Let's make our bird feeders and enjoy their company by feeding them. Take a pencil or a stick that is a little longer than the bottle we are going to use and glue it to the plate using a super glue. Let us now pour some millets into the bottle. Insert the pencil into the bottle and then invert it this way. It's fun to watch the way the seeds slide out as the birds peck them. Just refill the bottle once it is empty. That's it. Providing water to them is equally important. So, let's start our mission. Use a hot metal and punch holes on the neck of the bottle this way. Take a shallow plate and glue the bottle cap on it with super glue. Fill the bottle with water and tighten the cap. Physics time. Invert the bottle and see the water dripping slowly into the plate. Once the water level in the plate touches the hole, the air from outside cannot go inside. Therefore, water stops coming out. Water comes out of the bottle only if the water level in the plate is reduced by our birds. Birds are the symbol of harmony and joy. They only come to places where there is food, life, and where there's enough to share. I hope you liked this video. Please comment and subscribe. This is your Sue signing off.